Hyundai Motor today celebrated the world premiere of the fourth-generation Santa Fe in Goyang City, in the northern outskirt of Seoul. Building on the success of its predecessors, the all-new 2019 Santa Fe combines Hyundai's latest high-tech features with an intuitive spacious interior. The new generation Santa Fe represents Hyundai's ongoing commitment to delivering vehicles that feature world-class innovation and design. The all-new Santa Fe will start production from the second quarter of 2018 and will go on sale globally throughout this year. Since the launch of the first Santa Fe in 2000, Hyundai has become an established brand in the SUV segment. It is the cornerstone of Hyundai's long-standing SUV heritage, and the fourth-generation Santa Fe will continue to impress customers with its premium design, spacious interior and its advanced technology. The design of the fourth-generation Santa Fe connects with Hyundai's SUV design identity. It displays a modern and elegant appearance complemented by an eye-catching composite light design and Hyundai's signature cascading grille, which is the new face of Hyundai SUVs. The exterior design is characterized by a powerful wide stance and an athletic, bold look. Its refined lines reinforce the vehicle's status at the top of Hyundai's SUV lineup. The front introduces the cascading grille that is complemented by a composite light design comprising LED daytime running lights positioned on top of the LED headlights. The dynamic character of the side is enhanced by a sleek roofline and a bold side character line running from the headlights to the taillights. The rear creates a confident and stable stance with unique tail lights and a striking bumper design.